Welcome back, everybody, to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Packers Pantry from the Self-Reliance Outfitters, David Canterbury's store. He had a sale a while back and I picked up quite a few things, and this was one of them. Now it comes complete in this 48-ounce cup kit, or cup. They pretty much shove everything in there. Give you a look at the box. And this cup is pretty huge. I mean, look at that. And the UPC for anybody that cares. Alright, let's get it out of the box here and show you what we're working with. Alright. And it comes with these tins. Oh, there's one more in there. Alright. As you can see, there are graduations inside this massive cup. Batwing handles. Very nice. And a secure lid. Drain holes, vent holes, so you can do something like pasta or rice in there. Very cool. Let's do some specs here. This is a 48-ounce nesting cup with lid. It's made of 304 grade stainless steel. It is 6 1/4 inches tall, 4 1/2 inches wide, and it holds 48 ounces of liquid. In metric, we're looking at 15.87 centimeters tall, 11.43 centimeters wide, and it holds 1.41 liters of water. This thing's pretty big. Okay, you can see my hand here. Now, I got big hands, but look at that. Look at that sucker. That thing's huge. Give you an idea how big it is. Here is the 64-ounce bush pot side by side with it. Now the bush pot is obviously wider than this is, and it has more volume, but look at the size of that. This thing's huge. And here is my Lexada 750 milliliter titanium cup. So you get an idea of the size of this thing. It is pretty big. Alright, the list weight of the cup is 11.6 ounces or 328 grams. We will be checking that. And as part of the Packers Pantry, you get these tins. You get these 3 8-ounce or 237 milliliter tins, which are 4 1/8 inch diameter or 10.4 centimeters. And they're 1 1/8 deep, or 2.8 centimeters. You can buy these separately. They retail on his site for about $3.25 each. And you also get these two tins, which are 2-ounce tins or 59 milliliters. They're 2.5 inches in diameter or 6.35 centimeters and 13/16 deep or 2.06 centimeters, and these retail for $1.25 on his site. The cup, if you just get the cup by itself, it retails for $19.99 on his site. So let's take a closer look at these tins. Alright, they're screw top. You know, you could use these for making char, I suppose. I don't care for a screw top tin when I make char, but I think what would be better for these is to hold spices, because it is a Packers Pantry, right? Now these larger ones would be ideal for dry goods. Rice, flour, oatmeal, stuff like that. They got a screw down lid. Now, if you've noticed, I'll show you on this one, there's no gasket in there, which is fine. you know, but these aren't exactly what I would call waterproof, okay? So if you take a dip in the river and your cook kit gets, you know, waterlogged, whatever you have in these is probably going to get wet too. All right? So that's something to be aware of. Let's break the scale out here and check some weights. All right, we're going to check grams first. 376 grams on the cup. The list weight is 328, so it's a little over. Now let's pop that lid off, and let's, you know what, let's check the tins individually. The large tin comes in at 49 grams, and the smaller tins, 22 grams. Now, mind you, these is all dry weights, nothing in them. So let's put all this in here. So everything's in there. Total weight, 568, or 1 pound 4 ounces. Just the cup, 13 1/4 ounces. Just one large tin, 1 3/4 ounces, and one of the small tins, 3/4 of an ounce. Not too bad. So let's say we want to throw a cook kit together. I have a 200 gram isobutane canister here. Will not fit in there. See that? So that's kind of a negative, but you could throw one of these 100 grams in here. That's gonna fit. Here I got that Camping Moon stove. Yeah, that's barely gonna fit. I wonder if I can flip that around and get everything in here. Let's see what we can do. Nope. So, if you just put your stove, folding spork, and you could fit one of those large ones, and then you would have to carry your fuel canister like so. You'd have a nice little cook kit. I love the size of this. This thing's huge. Alright, well, I don't think I need to do any kind of boil test or anything like that. I just wanted to show you how big this thing is. I do want to show you one other thing, though. I want to show you how this fits a Nalgene bottle. The Nalgene bottle actually swims in there. This is a 1 liter Nalgene bottle, and you got tons of room. That's about 1.5 centimeters, almost 3/4 of an inch. I mean, that's a ton of room. Alright, well, that is the Packers Pantry from Self-Reliance Outfitters. Buy it, don't buy it, that's up to you. I wanted to get it because this is a huge cup, and I thought it would be nice to see how it would work out. I love the size. Talk about a large cup of coffee in the morning, huh? Alright, you all have a great day, and I'll catch y'all later out in those woods over there. Thank you for watching.